Form 8829 calculates the home office deduction for self-employed people filing Schedule C. To qualify, the part of your home you claim must be used regularly and exclusively for your business, and it must be your principal place of business. Even a dedicated corner of a room can qualify, as long as it is only used for work. Enter your name and social security number to match your Schedule C. In Part 1, enter the area in square feet used exclusively for business on line 1. Enter the total area of your home on line 2. The IRS divides line 1 by line 2 to get your business use percentage on line 3. If you use 200 square feet out of 1,000, that is 20%. In Part 2, you enter your actual home expenses. Column A is for direct expenses that apply only to your office space. Column B is for indirect expenses that cover the whole home, like utilities or insurance. The IRS multiplies your Column B expenses by your business percentage to get your deductible share. Form 8829 carries its result to Schedule C, line 30. Keep records of all expenses throughout the year, including utility bills and insurance statements. Fill out Form 8829 free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.